Hi guys, this is just a little video to show you the effects of installing an internal SSD solid state drive on an iMac mid-2010. As you can see here from my About This Mac section, you can see that I'm running an iMac 27-inch mid-2010, it's a 3.2 GHz Intel Core i3. I upgraded the RAM to 8 gigabytes, which helped quite a bit in smoothing out the operations of my computer. But most importantly, if you click on storage, you can see that I'm now running a 512 gigabyte solid state SATA drive. Before, when I used to run even the mail app, it used to, that bouncing over here used to happen for about well, towards the end it used to happen for about 10 seconds. Now it's almost instant. There's no bouncing and there's no delays. Same thing when I open, let's say, Evernote over here. It's just instant, opens up, and really quick. On a traditional hard drive, the read and write speed is about 100 megabytes. I had tested that earlier before I installed the SSD drive. I tested it using this app over here. It's called Black Magic Disk Speed Test. You can download it from the App Store. It's pretty useful. Launch that up, and over here you select a 5 gigabyte test, basically. Select the target drive. Just pretty much select your applications over here, choose, and it will sort of write and read a 5 gigabyte test file. So now on the solid state drive, we have readings of about 250 megabytes per second and reading 258, averaging 255 pretty much. The thing to remember is on the iMac 2010, unfortunately, Apple didn't install the SATA 3 didn't have SATA 3 capabilities on the iMacs until 2011. They were released on the 2011 models. So those speeds would be much faster with SATA 3. However, I think on the SATA 3 you'd have about 400 megabyte write speed and read speed. However, I cannot emphasize how much of a difference installing a solid state drive has made. The machine feels like a new machine. Anytime you open, let's say iTunes here, it's a closed application, boom, done, open, and it's had a profound effect so far. That's all for now. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box, and I'll try to get back to them as much as I can.